Hey guys, my name is Mesh, hope you're doing well, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Cardano price chart, and I'm going to be letting you know where I think Cardano is going to be heading in the short and medium term. So today we did see a bounce for the entire crypto market, and Cardano is actually up 7% today. And a lot of you might be thinking that this is the end of the correction and now we're just going to be setting newer highs. However, in this video I'm going to be explaining why I actually do think that we may be seeing some more downside for Cardano and the crypto space as a whole, and it's not time to get bullish or excited just yet. Also, only -4% of you guys are subscribed to the channel, which is completely unacceptable. So if you're watching this video, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, especially if you want to see more Cardano videos like this one that don't just give you a bunch of hopium but actually analyze the market from a rational point of view. And also make sure to hit that like button, it really goes a long way in helping my channel out. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So taking a look at CoinMarketCap, you can see that today we had somewhat of a bounce. It's really a sideways day. Some coins are trading slightly in the red and other coins are trading slightly in the green. However, Cardano did have a nice bounce, 7% today, which is pretty nice, and it may have made a lot of you excited thinking that we're just going to start setting new all-time highs now. But we'll get into why that might not be the case. So yeah, Bitcoin's up 3%, ETH is up 2%, ADA 7%, BNB literally 0%, and DOT is down 2%. So taking a look at the Cardano chart, by the way, this is the 4-hour chart. What I see is simply a series of lower highs. And the bounce that we had recently, this bounce from $1.02 all the way to now $1.19, which, don't get me wrong, this is quite a large bounce. However, I don't think this means that we are completely out of our downtrend and out of our temporary correction. So I don't think it's a good idea to get excited just yet and to assume that we're going to start setting new all-time highs and that we can't go any lower, simply because this is just another lower high in a series of lower highs. So our first high was at $1.50. And then we set another high at $1.36, and then a third high at $1.28, and this is simply another lower high in this downtrend. And so this bounce does not really mean anything just yet. And what I'm looking for in order to flip bullish on Cardano short term again, and to assume that Cardano is going to break its previous all-time high of $1.50, is for Cardano to break $1.28 and have a daily close above that level. So this was our previous high at $1.28, and until we break this level and actually break it, not just wick above it and get rejected, but when I say break, I mean set a daily close above that level. Until we do that, this is simply just another lower high in a series of lower highs. So that is exactly what I'm looking for in order to flip bullish on Cardano again. But until that happens, I don't think that it's a good idea to like start longing Cardano or to get bullish on Cardano. Again, not financial advice. So what I'm looking for in terms of my downside target is still 96 cents. This has been a target that I've talked about quite a bit on this channel. And it's because that's where our previous resistance was, and it's actually a very strong level of resistance. You can see we rallied up to it here and had quite the correction, and again we struggled to break it here, and once we broke it we had a huge rally to our next area of support and resistance at $1.15. So this is where I am actually looking for Cardano to retest, and I do think that Cardano will test this level. Unless of course that we do continue on this rally and break $1.28. So that is what I'm looking for in the short term, for Cardano to continue on this downtrend to 96 cents. And in my opinion, this is the best opportunity to buy if we see Cardano come down to this 96 cents. And we could of course wick below it. So Cardano is a very wicky cryptocurrency. It has these massive wicks on basically all time frames. So we could definitely have a sharp wick beneath the 96 cent level, especially because at that point Cardano would have broken $1, and a lot of people would be quite scared that Cardano broke $1. So we could see a wick there, but I think that any wick beneath the 96-cent level will be very short-lived if we do see that happening. And I think this is a perfect opportunity to accumulate more Cardano at 96 cents. Again, not financial advice. So yeah, that's my analysis on Cardano. Very simple, very clear. This is simply another lower high in a downtrend, and until we set a daily close above $1.28, we can assume Cardano will continue on its way down to 96 cents. And honestly, this is just another lower high for the entire crypto market as a whole, not just Cardano. So this is, again, Bitcoin is basically trading sideways. And until it sets another high above $55,000, I think that we could see Bitcoin continue on its way down to $42,000, which is where its ultimate support is. So like I always say, and this is a very good thing to understand, the trend is your friend until the end, which has basically, if you followed that philosophy for the whole bull cycle, you would have been doing the right thing, because the trend has generally been up, and the macro trend is still definitely up. So the trend is your friend until the end. That's why I don't think that this is a reversal for the market or reversal for Cardano. This is still a vicious uptrend. However, this also applies to short-term corrections too. And in the short term, we are in a downtrend, and the trend is your friend until the end. So there's no reason to flip fully bullish on Cardano just yet. So I do think that a lot of people are getting overly excited right now, which is not the ideal thing to do. So that is it for this video. Just a very short video on Cardano technical analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more rational videos like this one, where I'm not just feeding you hopium, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to leave a like. Also, I'll leave a link to my Discord server down in the description below. There's a lot of Cardanians down there, a lot of really cool people. So if you want to join the community, then make sure to join the Discord server. All right, that's all for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.